Good morning, students. Let's continue with our practice set 31. Last lecture we have seen sums up to 2 seconds. Now we will start with the third one. Sunandabai bought milk for rupees 475 rupees. She converted into yogurt and sold it for 700. How much profit did she make? Here also it is written that she got profit. So CP is equal to what? 475 and SP is equal to 700 rupees. So write the formula for profit, that is profit is equal to SP minus CP. What is SP? 700 rupees and CP is 475. So after doing this subtraction, we will get answer is 225. So how much profit she got? 225 rupees. Now next is question number 5. Pramod bought 100 bunches of methi greens for 400 rupees. In sudden downpour, 30 of bunches on his hand cart got spoiled. He sold the rest at the rate of 5 rupees each. Did he make profit or loss, and how much? See, first of all, what is the sum you understand? Pramod bought 100 bunches. 100 bunches for how much rupees? 400 rupees. Okay. So what is the cost of one bunch? Therefore, cost of one bunch is equal to 400 upon 100, that is 4 rupees. Right? So cost of one bunch is 4 rupees. What happened? In a sudden accident or anything, he downpour means he lost his 30 bunches of methi greens, right? So out of 100, spoil bunches 30, right? Therefore, remaining number of bunches is equal to 100 minus 30, that is 70. How much bunches? Now 70 bunches. Now he sold this 70 bunches for 5 rupees. So SP is equal to 70 multiplied by 5, that is 350. So his selling price is 350 and his purchase price is 400. Therefore, as CP is greater, or you can write SP is lesser than CP, there is loss. And then write formula for loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP, that is 400 minus 350, and the loss is 50 rupees. Understand, everyone? Just go through this and understand it properly. Next sum. Sharad bought 1 quintal of onions for rupees 2000. Later he sold them at all at the rate of 18 rupees per kg. Did he make a profit or incur a loss, and how much it was? Now see, first you have to find out what is 1 quintal is. 1 quintal onion means how much, that you have to find out. So 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg, sorry, 100 kg. Okay, now 1 quintal onion at how much cost? 2000 rupees, right? So his cost price is, means CP is what? 2000, right? After that he sold this all 100 kg at the rate of 80 rupees. So selling price is equal to 100 kg multiplied by 18. So it is 1800, right? Now we got CP is equal to 2000 and SP is equal to 1800. From this we can conclude that SP is lesser than CP. You can write like this also, you by using greater than, smaller than sign, or you can write in word there. So there is loss. Understand? Because selling price is lesser than your cost price, therefore loss is equal to CP minus SP. What is your CP? Cost price 2000. And what is your SP? 1800. So subtraction get 200, and Sharad loss or Sharad incur loss of rupees 200. Understand? Now move to the next sum. Kantabai bought 25 saris from the wholesale merchant for 10,000 and sold them at 460 each. How much profit did Kantabai get in this transaction? Now see, 7th one sum it is 25 saris at how much cost? 10,000. Right? Now, what is the cost of one sari? One sari is equal to 10,000 divided by 25. Right? So 25 4 and 0 0. Right? Now see, what is cost price is what? 10,000 that we have. Now we want to find out selling price. At what rate he sell? At 460 each. So selling price is equal to 460 into how much sarees? 25. So after multiplication we get answer 11,500. Now this is your SP and this is your CP. As CP is smaller than SP, right? There is profit. And it is already told that she got profit. So write profit formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 11,500 and CP is 10,000. So your profit of rupees 500. 1,500. Understand everyone? Now this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is your today's homework, right? In next lecture we will start with the next exercise. Till then, take care and do homework properly.